Hello friends, welcome back to channel. Today is 25th of June 2021 and in this video we are going to see the important current affairs from 25th of June 2021. Our first question is ADB, that is Asian Development Bank, has recently approved a loan package of 940 million US dollar for purchase of vaccine to which country? Answer is option number 2, Bangladesh. Recently, Asian Development Bank has approved a loan package of 940 million US dollar for Bangladesh for the purchase of COVID-19 vaccines. The package consists of a concessional loan of 470 million US dollar and a regular loan of the same amount. So answer will be option number 2, Bangladesh. What is ADB? Long form is Asian Development Bank. It is an regional development bank established on 19th of December 1966. Headquarter is in Manila, which is in Philippines, and currently president is Matsugu Oskawa. And Bangladesh, this is Bangladesh, capital is Dhaka, president is Abdul Hamid, PM is Sheikh Hasina, and currency is Taka. Next, what will be India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year as predicted by Moody's? Moody's is an American credit rating agency established in 1909 and it has predicted that India's GDP growth rate in the current financial year will be 9.6%. So answer will be option number 1. Next, which of the following country has become world's first mask-free country in the corona period? Answer is option number 4, Israel. Recently, Israel has become the world's first mask-free country in the corona period. Here or in Israel, the rule of applying mask in the closed places has ended on June 15 and this has been announced by Israel's health minister Yuli Edelstein. So answer will be option number 4, Israel. Israel, this is Israel. Its capital is Jerusalem. President is Isa Herzog, PM is Naftali Bennett, and currency is New Shekel. Next, Ashok Kumar has been recently appointed as High Commissioner of India to Dash. Answer is option number 4, Zambia. Ashok Kumar is an IFS officer of 1998 batch and recently he has been appointed as the next High Commissioner of India to Zambia. This is Zambia. Its capital is Lusaka. President is Edgar Chagwa Lunga and currency is Zambian kwacha. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as International Olympics Day? Answer is option number 3, 23rd June. Every year, 23rd June is celebrated as International Olympics Day. It is celebrated to promote sports and spread the message of making sports an integral part of life. So, answer will be option number 2. Next, which of the following day is celebrated as United Nations Public Service Day? Answer is option number 2, 23rd June. Every year, 23rd June is celebrated as United Nations Public Service Day. It recognizes that democracy and successful governance are built on the foundation of a competent civil service, and United Nations General Assembly has designated this day on 23rd of December 2002. So answer will be option number 2. Next, with which of the following country India has recently signed an MOU for cooperation in the field of agriculture and allied sectors? Answer is option number 4, Fiji. Recently, India and Fiji have signed an MOU for cooperation in the field of agriculture and allied sectors. The MOU provides for cooperation in the fields of dairy industry, rice industry, root crop diversification, water resource management, and coconut industry. So, answer will be option number 4, Fiji. This is Fiji. Its capital is Suva. Prime Minister is Frank Bainimarama and currency is Fijian dollar. Next question. World Music Day is celebrated on Dash. Answer is option number 3, 21st June. Every year, 21st June is celebrated as World Music Day. And this year or in 2021, this day has been celebrated under the theme Music at the Intersections. Next, which of the following organization has recently released a report titled Global Trends Forced Displacement in 2020? Answer is option number 4, United Nations. UNHCR is a part of United Nations and this UNHCR has recently released its report titled Global Trends Forced Displacement in 2020. Long form of UNHCR is United Nations High Commission for Refugees, and the report titled Global Trends Forced Displacement is published every year to count and track the number of refugees, internally displaced people who have returned to their countries or area of origin, and in the report of 2021 it has been said that nearly 80 million people were forcibly displaced by the end of 2019, which is nearly 1% of the global population. So answer will be option number 4. Next, Kevin O'Brien has recently announced his retirement from ODI cricket. He belongs to which nation? Answer is option number 2, Ireland. This is Kevin O'Brien, and he recently has announced his retirement from ODI or One Day International Cricket. So answer will be option number 2, Ireland. Now we will quickly revise the questions of our last video. Our first question was, which of the following state or union territory government has recently started Jaha Oat Waha vaccine campaign? Answer is option number 3, Delhi. Second question was, India has ranked 43rd in the World Competitiveness Index 2021. Which of the following country has topped in it? Answer is option number 4, Switzerland. Which of the following day is celebrated as Goa Kranti Divas? Answer is option number 2, 18 June. Who among the following has been recently appointed as the brand ambassador of global sports brand Puma? Answer is option number 1, Yuvraj Singh. Which of the following day is celebrated as International Yoga Day? Answer is option number 3, 21st June. Next, Ibrahim Raisi has recently won the presidential elections of Dash. Answer is option number 3, Iran. India has recently signed an MOU for developing cooperation in the area of environment with which of the following country? Answer is option number 1, Bhutan. Eighth question was, Indian origin Justice Mohammad Jamal has been recently appointed as a judge to the Supreme Court of which of the following country? Answer is option number 3, Canada. Kenneth Kaunda has recently died at the age of 97. He was the first president of which country? Answer is option number 2, Zambia. Which of the following is the national helpline number launched by the Union Home Ministry for reporting platform for preventing financial losses due to cyber fraud? Answer is option number 3, 155260. Visa URSAT, which is seen in news recently, is related to which of the following space agency? Answer is option number 2, European Space Agency. And last question was, which of the following organization has recently released a report titled Children and Digital Dump Site? Answer is option number 3, WHO. That is World Health Organization has recently released its report titled Children and Digital Dump Site. These were the questions asked in our last video. Now answer of the question which was asked to you in the last video. Question was, who is the Director General of NIA, that is National Investigating Agency? Answer is option number 1, Kuldeep Singh. Kuldeep Singh is the new Director General of NIA. Now today's question is, Krishna Nair is associated with Dash. Options are shooting, cricket, para weightlifting and para badminton. If you know answer of this question, you can write it in the comment section below, or we will discuss this question in the next video.